In your specific scope of work, clarity is essential. Be specific. Quite often you get told in public speaking that you should think of your audience as, I believe it's fifth graders. In this case, think of them as industry knowledgeable fifth graders. Be very specific and very clear. Don't assume that any of the potential offerers have the subtext of what you want done. You have to make sure that everything is clearly and specifically put into text. Making assumptions about the offerers knowing partially what you want done will lead to lower quality proposals that you'll receive. Make sure in the scope of work that you include any and all milestones and project-related deadlines. Hopefully, all of your proposers are going to be very busy people, and they need to know what you are essentially requiring for delivery of elements of the work to be done. This is the tricky one. Avoid over-specification when it's not needed. Allow your offerers to give you creative solutions. In the consulting world, we have a unique ability to view problems from different directions. If you over-specify what a solution is to be, you will very likely get the responses that meet those specifications. What you're missing, though, is creative solutions that you may not have thought of to the problem that you have. Lastly, you need to be comprehensive. Make sure that the offerer knows the entirety of what it is that you're asking for.